time a nigga call you. That's why I ball how I ball when I spoil you. We was in Miami, first time I saw you. I wasn't a fan of when I put up on you. It was late nights in the bando. Fucking on you good, got you bustin' like you Rambo. And you keep it hood, so you really understand, oh. You was there through my ups and downs like a camel. Ass all fat, said she get it from her mama.
Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. It's me, Briana Marie, and yes, I'm holding my mic because I don't have a clip. It broke. But anyways, welcome back to another tutorial. As you can see, I did this look. So today's tutorial is going to be Dow Gang number 8. So we have one more to go, and I decided to do this look. The name of Dow Gang number 8 is a colorful cut crease. Consider this as a colorful cut crease. It doesn't have to be like the rainbow or anything, but this is a colorful cut crease, and I hope that you like this look. I like it paired with the blue jean jacket because it's giving me chill vibes, and with this lip, it's giving me like juicy, glossy lips, but like at the same time, the eyes is popping, but the face is subtle. You know? Hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see how I choose this look, then keep on watching. Get to check out the dance that were in the beginning of this clip playing. Keep on watching. Okay, guys, I'm back with another video. It is collaboration 8. One more to go, which is number 9, and then we're done. But today we are doing collaboration number 8. So today we are doing a colorful cut crease. You already know I'm going to do a cut crease, so it's not going to change. My lids, and I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Ebony, and I primed with Cool 10 by FAWN, by LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm going to take this We Don't Care palette, and I'm just going to go into this color right here. I'm going to take this gold, and it's called Frosting, on a Morphe 213 brush. First transition color is going to be this orange shade right here. Or I was thinking about going back into this palette and grabbing this orange, which will be kind of like a lighter orange. Let me 504 brush and put this right under the brow bone. I'll go with the shade next, and it's called Charm, on a R37 brush, and my brushes still look like pinky because from the other look that I did, y'all remember that one. Okay, so I'm going in here, grabbing this red and orange together. I'm about to take my navy blue. Y'all already know. That's the only navy blue that I have. Add my Ambrosia IFX base because we are going to do like mint greens or something like that on the lid. Something I was going to stick to like a shimmer shade, but y'all know me. We're going with this frosty yellow shade just in the inner part of my eye. Mint green out of the Suva Beauty palette, and this is one the diet. We're going with a darker one. Once we blend those two colors together, as you can see where it starts and where it ends. I'll do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. It was I went off camera and I did the other eye. I added my Murkin lashes. I actually just ordered some more of these. But I didn't order them the first time. She actually sent me some lashes over to me to try them out, and I absolutely love these. These are part of my top, let me see, top maybe 3 favorite lashes or top 5 favorite lashes. It's like hit number 1. I really love these lashes and they are really pretty. They are mink lashes and they, even though they are long, they're really fluffy and kind of natural looking. It's like just the perfect to add to your look. Okay, I'm loving this combo. This combo is giving me full coverage. This combo is giving me Dang, it's nice. This combo is giving me flawless finish. So I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in 7W1 Deep Spice and the Urban Decay All Night Foundation in 12.0. LA Girl Pro Concealer and FAWN. And then I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick to contour with. So just my same routine. I don't want to keep doing the same thing on camera to bore you. So I will actually do a face routine off camera. Y'all, I've been loving me some Clarence and Queen lately. Like, I've been watching them. I really like watching them. Like, they dope friends. But I don't know, I like watching them. Before we highlight and add blush, I am going to use the under eyes first. I want to take this Vivid Bright. So we could have used this also to cut the crease, but it's not as creamy as I would have liked it. Excuse my nail, y'all. I know it's broke. I'm gonna go get it fixed tomorrow. Change this color. I want to highlight with these two. This is Bronze and Glow from Ambrosia Cosmetics, and I'm gonna highlight also with Beautybychinky Glaze highlighter. I'm gonna use these two, which is like this orange and terra cartilage. For the lip, I am going to do something, you know, I was gonna do some bold cherry from Decay. And from those two colors. Then to top it off, what I'm going to do is add my lip gloss from, what's this? Taraji. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it wasn't too many commercials in this one. Don't forget to go follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. And don't forget to go subscribe to my lovely gals. Their link will be up, if not to their video, to their channel. So don't forget to go subscribe to them. Tell them that I sent you. Like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you gals on the next video, which is collaboration number 9.